Yes, sir.
Start.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vishaka from B15 section. So here I'm going to present a PPT about traffic light controller using Arduino board. So we need requirements like one breadboard, one Arduino board, 12 LED lights. There are 4 red LED lights, green LED lights, and 4 orange LED lights. 12 20 ohms resistor and 25 jumper wires for connection. So let's begin the procedure. First of all, we need a Arduino board and a breadboard so that we can connect the LEDs, resistors, and jumper wires. Again, next we have to select. Next we have to keep it parallel to each other. So next we have to select the LED for north, south, and east and west directions. We need to change the color of the LED to red, orange, and green so that we can know that with the direction of traffic lights. First, we have to connect the first jumper wire to minus from minus of the breadboard to the GND pin of the Arduino board. And next we have to place that red, orange and green LED to the west, north, east and south directions on the breadboard. We have to select 20 ohms resistor and place it under the LED lights. The use of resistor is that if we don't use it because of excessive current, there are many chances of burning the LED lights. And again, first we have to take the jumper wire to connect the red LED light as well as green and orange, and we have to set it to the pin. As we can see that in the circuit board, the first red jumper wire is connected to the 13 pin of the Arduino board, and orange one is connected to the 12 pin of the Arduino board, and green is pinned to the minus 11 of the Arduino board. And and we have to connect the each resistor to the breadboard using jumper wire at the minus sign of the breadboard. Later we have to do the same as connections to the south, east and north. As we can see that at south the red LED light is connected to the minus 10 pin, and orange one is connected to the minus 9th pin, and green one is connected to the 8th pin, and resistors are as usual connected to the minus sign of the breadboard. So that again we have to do the same procedure to north, east and south directions. Here we can see the traffic controller circuit, and now my partner Ashita will continue the further explanation. Thank you.
So good afternoon, everyone. My name is C.H. Ashrita from B15 section. So I'm going to continue the topic. So this is the proposed four-way traffic model. Here, these are the variables that we used in the code for a particular bulb in each direction. So in each direction, for the red bulb, we are using red underscore E, and for orange bulb, we are using orange underscore E. And for the green bulb, we are using green underscore E. Like that, we are giving particular underscores of that variable in each direction. Then in the code, first we are declaring the variables with respect to the pin numbers that we connected in the Arduino board. So for the red bulb in the west direction, we have connected to the 13th pin in Arduino board. And for the orange bulb in west direction, we have connected to the 12th pin. And for green bulb in west direction, we have connected the 11th pin. With respect to those pin numbers, we have connected each bulb and we have declared those variables here. And next, the initial condition is that we have to switch the orange bulbs of all directions should be turned on for 5 seconds. So for that, we have declared a void loop, giving a orange bulb in all directions as high. It means we are turning on the orange bulbs in all direction for 5 seconds. After that, we will allow traffic from west direction. So in west direction, the condition is that the green bulb in west direction should be turned on and other red bulbs in the east and north south direction should be turned on. So this is the code for west direction. Green means the green bulb in west direction should be glowing and all the other red LEDs in the 3 directions should be turned on, and the remaining LEDs like orange and green in other directions should be turned off. So for that, we have written the code. The red bulb in west direction should be low, the orange bulb in the west direction should be low, and the green bulb in the west direction should be high because we are allowing the west traffic. And the red bulb in other directions like red bulb in south and red bulb in east and red bulb in north are high, and all the other bulbs in the south, east and north directions are low. And after turning off the green bulb in west direction, the orange bulb in west direction and the orange bulb in the south direction should be turned on for 3 seconds. So we have given for the orange bulb in west direction should be high and the orange bulb in the south direction will be high, and other east and north directions the red bulb will be high and other bulbs will be low. Then next we will come to south direction, allowing the south traffic. So here the green bulb in the south direction should be high and all the other west, north and east red LED bulbs should be glowing, and other bulbs orange and green in other 3 directions should be low. So if we have given red as high, red west as high, and red S is low and orange S is low, as we are giving allowing south traffic. So the green bulb of the south should be high, and the red bulb of the east direction is high, and the red bulb of north direction is high, and other 2 bulbs of other 2 directions is low. 1 second. After that, after turning off the green LED in south direction, orange LED of the south and east direction should be glowing. So that for that we have given a orange bulb in the south direction as high and orange bulb in east direction as high. They will be glowing for 3 seconds, and the red bulb in west and red bulb in north will be glowing and other bulbs will be turned off. Then we will go to east traffic, allowing them. So here the east traffic, the green bulb in the east direction should be high and all the other 3 of red bulbs should be high and other bulbs should be low. We have given the code accordingly like previous one. And after turning off the green LED in east direction, it is like we have to turn on the orange LED in east and north for 3 seconds. We have given like that. Orange LED of north should be high and the orange LED of east should be high. Respectively, the red bulbs of the west and south direction should be high and other LEDs should be low. And we are going to north traffic, where the green LED of the north traffic should be high and the other red LEDs of other direction should also be high, and other bulbs like orange and green in west, south and east should be low. And now we are coming to after turning off the green LED in north direction, the west LED, orange bulb LED in west direction, orange bulb LED in north direction should be turned on. So if we have given orange bulb in west direction as high and orange bulb in north direction as high. After this, we will be declaring the variables from pin 2 to 13 as output. Like we have declared the variables in the starting, those we will be declaring in a for loop and we'll be presenting them as output. And after this is the driver code. Like initially we said that the all orange bulbs should be high, means turned on in for 5 seconds. So we have created a void loop, and here we have given high for every orange bulb in all directions for 5 seconds. We have cut the delay as 5000 milliseconds. And after that, we are running in an anti-clockwise direction, that is west, south, east, and north. So for that, we have given west green, and we have given a delay of 5000 seconds, means 5000 milliseconds, that is 5 seconds. And after that, the west and south orange bulbs will be high for 3 seconds, and the south bulb, the south green bulb in the south direction will be high for 5 seconds. Like that, simultaneously, in anti-clockwise direction, the traffic controller system works. Thank you.
Okay, just a minute. So go to your presentation.
Should I start, sir?
Yes, yes.
Here in void setup, we are running a for loop for declaring the pins from 2 to 13. We have initiated a variable I, and from 2 to 13 pins, we are declaring them as output. And here the initial condition, which is said before, like all the orange bulbs in all the directions should be high for 5 seconds. So we have given these lines for glowing of orange bulbs for 5 seconds. After that, we are running a loop which runs infinite times. That is, first we are going in an anti-clockwise direction. So we are starting from west, means the west green bulb in west direction should be turned on. It will be turned on for 5 seconds. After it is turned off, the orange bulb in west and south direction will glow for 3 seconds. And after that, after 3 seconds, the green bulb, means we are allowing the green south traffic. The green bulb in south direction will be turned on for 5 seconds. Simultaneously, in anti-clockwise, the loop runs in infinite times. Thank you.
Yeah, so the Thinkercad one.
Okay. Vishaka will explain the connections here.
So here is our circuit program. So as we can see here that as we mentioned in the procedure that we have taken one Arduino Uno board and one white breadboard, and we have mentioned here 4 directions, that is north, south, east, and west, and 12 LED bulbs on each direction. We have 3 LED bulbs. So there are 4 red LED bulb, or 4 orange LED bulb, and 4 green LED bulb, and 25 jumper wires and 12 resistors. So we have placed each LED bulb to its respective direction on the breadboard, and and we have connected our jumper wire first to minus sign to the GND pin, and each LEDs are connected with its respective jumper wires to the pins of Arduino board, that is red to 13 and orange to 12 and green to 11. As we started our first jumper wire from minus sign. So we have connected all the resistors to the minus sign of the breadboard. So as goes to the south, the first red LED bulb is connected to the minus 10th sign of the board, and orange to the minus 9 and green to the 8. So as you can see that north, here the north side of the jumper wires is connected to the fourth side of the Arduino board, and orange to the minus 3 and green to the 2 to control the traffic lights. And yeah. So here it is the respective connection of the traffic controller program, and now the code will be explained by Ashrita.
So we have connected according to what Vishaka said previously. And the code is according to the connections that we made. So the orange LED of all directions are glowing for 5 seconds. After that, the green LED in the west direction is glowing, and the other 3 LEDs of red color are glowing. Now the orange LED is glowing in the western direction, then south green. You can see that all the other red LEDs are glowing when again the loop repeats. The loop goes infinite times. Still we stop the simulation.